on praying things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. When will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting so much? When will tomorrow come? On praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. They say keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. And when will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting so much? When will tomorrow come? When will tomorrow? No. When will it come? Yeah. Will it stop hurting so much? So much? No. When will it come?
I see that you're hurting, I see that you're down. I see how every dream returned, came back to call you out. Was ready to rumble, was ready to fight. Got lost in the thunder, without alibis. Shout at the night, rage at the lies. Don't let the fear control what's deep within. Oh, oh, oh. Until the sky has fallen, I'll be around. I'll be there night and day. I'll be there both night and day. Until the stars have fallen onto the ground, I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Now the pages are turning under the clouds. Got used to the hiding, now you're feeding the doubt. Let me show you the silver lining, how to tame them and then to ride them. Cause you weren't meant to be caught counting days, that's not your place. Shout at the night, rage at the lies. Don't let the fear control what's deep within. Oh, oh, oh. Until the sky has fallen, I'll be around. I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Until the stars have fallen onto the ground, I'll be there night and day. Be
Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. If you're new here, a warm welcome to you. I hope you like it here. I hope you stay. I hope you subscribe. I hope you become part of the family. To my regular supporters, thank you guys so much for returning. Thank you for the support. Thank you for liking. I am noticing the hearts, and I appreciate you guys so much. It means you are watching because I said that part almost at the end of the video. So shout out to you who's been watching till the end. I truly appreciate you. It's the start of a new vlog. Yeah, man, it's so cold today. Apparently it's snowing in Durban. Can you believe it? Durban is like the warmest place ever, and now it's snowing, like proper snowing, not here and there, like it's proper snow, hence the cold. It is too cold, you know. And yeah, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just indoors. I don't want to go out. I don't want to drive out. I just want to be indoors. Yeah, I've cleaned the house. I'm not sure about doing the laundry because if I do it, so I'll see. Luckily the kids are not going to school, so there isn't uniform that's going to be needed during the week. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoy the vlog. Please, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please don't forget to share with family and friends so that we can keep growing. We still need to reach 2,000 subscribers, you know. Yeah, so please share. And yeah man, please enjoy the vlog. I think I'll chat to you guys later. If not later, tomorrow.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this fear. wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. Always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby. I can give you everything you want. Everything you want.
Hi guys, sorry about that. Welcome to another day of this vlog. I've been having stomach aches. So I'm only coming back here very late, but also I had a deadline I had to attend to, so that kept me busy the whole day, literally the whole day. It's 4 o'clock now, 4:30. And I just said, hey, you still have a vlog to continue with or close off. So yeah guys, as you have seen, yesterday I just decided to bake because the boys wanted some cookies, and I got the recipe from my mother-in-law. The best recipe, because the last scones that I tried to bake did not come out so well. But yeah, so I did that yesterday. And then I went to bed because I finished quite late. Nothing much. So today as well, in fact, this whole weekend I've been indoors, and I think it's doing something to my soul. That's good. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna chill today. I wanna close off this vlog today and see if I can start another one tomorrow, since Tuesday is a public holiday, and then continue like that. But I will see. If not, but I'm hoping to close it off today, guys. Like, that's the plan. I'll chat to you guys later on. Hi guys, we have come to the end of the vlog. We have come to the end of the day. Thank you so much if you've been watching till the end. I truly appreciate you. It's hours later since I spoke to you earlier on. I decided to just chill and rest and not do anything. Cooked, did not record that because hey, recording while you cook can take longer than if you take, let's say, an hour to cook. Basically schedule 1.5 hours or 2 hours if you're recording, because you need to move around. But yeah, thank you so much if you've been watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to share the video with family and friends. I see the hearts, I truly appreciate you. Yeah, let's meet again, yeah, in the next vlog. Tomorrow on Tuesday, in fact tomorrow I need to check what I'm gonna wear. Kibo Heritage Day in Dondon comes everything, and I don't have anything to wear. But this time around I'll just rock up. I'll just that's like an outfit, but it won't be traditional. I'll see, maybe the beats here and there. Yeah. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Yeah, thank you so much for the support. See you in the next vlog.